There's a mudslide and a rock falls. You can see up there. This is 5 kilometers from Nungba Bazaar towards Imphal. There is a continuous fall. Dire girte rehta. Come on. La. Adum tale re. Si gari sida at least 20 gari lai re. There are at least 10 buses here coming from Jiribam side, and then while empty buses and trucks are stranded here coming from Imphal side also. Now we are not able to contact the NHIDCL, and then we cannot contact the Nidi infra company who are responsible for construction and repairing of these roads. So we are calling in the private JCB to have a clearance here. Targa lady, macet tale hojik se do mas clearance ni mi amna tawne tawre do tawthok pangamdra.